Hi, my name is Sweet Pea. I'm from Olympia, Washington, USA, and I've just completed my 200 hours here at Arogya Yoga School in Rishikesh. I felt really lucky and blessed to be here. It's a top-rated school in Rishikesh, and all of our teachers were so amazing. We started the day with herbal tea and cleansing up on the rooftop with a beautiful view and sunrise. And then we had our mantra classes with Mandeep Ji, who is an incredible teacher, beautiful voice. He taught us so much about chanting and mudras, and he brought so much positive vibrations to start the day with. And he played music for us. It was so calming and beautiful. Just to be in a class with him alone is worth it. Our asana class was next, our first one of the day, with Azad Ji, and he is an incredible teacher. He knows so much about the postures, and his alignment classes are amazing. He's very attentive and very patient teacher, and he's always making sure that the class is running smoothly. Finally, by then, breakfast. By then we've really earned breakfast, and the food here is delicious veggie cuisine. It's prepared with fresh local produce, and then after breakfast we have a little break to go get chai up the street. Then we have our philosophy class, which is it was very challenging for me, but I like the challenge because our teacher knows so much, and we only have 28 days to try to learn so much about the whole philosophy of yoga, but he was also, again, very patient with us. And then after philosophy we had anatomy, very informative, also really helpful for alignment, to learn about the actual anatomy of the body and the bones and muscles and organs and respiratory system. And it was really, really helpful. By then, definitely ready for lunch time and have a little break to do self-study. When we got back, we would do our alignment class, and that was probably my favorite because that's when you slow down the postures and break them down and go step by step into the postures. So it was really, again, with Azad Ji, such an incredible teacher. By then it's evening, and we have our final practice for the day, and it's a full day, so get ready to just completely immerse yourself in the wonderful world of yoga, and then take rest. And I thank you so much here at the school